The story of the Milky Way begins over 13 billion years ago, shortly after the Big Bang. In the vast primordial expanse, the universe was nothing but a soup of elemental particles, predominantly hydrogen and helium, interspersed with enigmatic dark matter and pulsating energy. The cosmic landscape, devoid of light and structure, was set to evolve into a complex tapestry that includes our own galaxy. As time progressed, the universe underwent dramatic changes. It expanded rapidly, a phenomenon known as inflation, stretching the fabric of space-time itself. This expansion cooled the initial hot plasma, and the universe transitioned from a state of extreme heat to more moderate temperatures that allowed the first subatomic particles to form atoms. Gravity, the architect of cosmic order, began its work. It subtly tugged on the uneven distributions of matter, pulling together the gases into denser regions. These pockets of gas grew larger and more massive, setting the stage for the formation of the first stars. The gravity pulled harder, and the pressure in the heart of these gas clumps increased until nuclear fusion ignited, birthing the first stars. These stars were massive and short-lived, burning their fuel at prodigious rates. In their death throes, they exploded as supernovae, scattering enriched materials back into space. These materials included heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, which were not present at the dawn of the universe. This cycle of stellar birth and death seeded the cosmos with the building blocks needed for more complex structures. As stars continued to form, they did not do so. Many gathered into clusters bound by gravitational ties. Over time, these clusters of stars coalesced into the first protogalaxies. These early galaxies were small and lacked the majestic spiral arms of galaxies like the Milky Way. However, they were the crucial first steps in galaxy formation. The universe was still a place of violence and chaos. These protogalaxies often collided and merged with one another, a process driven by the inexorable pull of gravity. Each merger added more mass and triggered new rounds of star formation. Through this tumultuous epoch, the protogalaxies grew larger and more structured. As billions of years passed, a significant merger event occurred that would eventually lead to the formation of the Milky Way. Several large protogalaxies collided, their stars mixing and swirling into new patterns, their gases igniting to form new stars. The dark matter that permeated them to shape the gravitational landscape, guiding the formation of a more stable spiraled galaxy. This newly formed galaxy continued to evolve. It developed a central bulge surrounded by a flat, rotating disk. The disk, rich in gas and dust, became the birthplace of many new stars. Some of these stars formed the beautiful and well-defined spiral arms that characterize our Milky Way today. Meanwhile, the central bulge attracted more and more stars, becoming densely packed. This region likely houses a black hole whose gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape from it. Around this core and along the spiral arms, new star systems, including our own solar system, eventually formed, completing a picture that started with the simplest of elements. Through a complex history of cosmic evolution, marked by the construction and reconstruction driven by gravitational forces, our galaxy took shape. From the chaotic beginnings post-Big Bang to the structured beauty observed today, the Milky Way stands as a testament to the power of natural forces working across unimaginable spans of time and space. Over time, these protogalaxies collided and merged, driven by the force of gravity. This process of merging and interaction led to the formation of larger and more complex structures, eventually giving rise to the Milky Way. The Milky Way's distinct spiral structure began to take shape around 10 billion years ago. The galaxy's disk, bulging central region, and spiral arms formed as a result of these interactions and the accumulation of gas and dust. Our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago, within one of the Milky Way's spiral arms. This process started with the collapse of a giant molecular cloud leading to the birth of our sun and the planets. The Milky Way continues to evolve. New stars are born in nebulae, while old stars die in spectacular supernovae, enriching the galaxy with heavy elements. The Milky Way also interacts with nearby galaxies, such as the Andromeda Galaxy, with which it will eventually merge. We have learned about the Milky Way through the use of powerful telescopes and advanced technology. Observations from space missions and ground-based telescopes provide us with a detailed understanding of our galaxy's structure and history. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way is expected to collide with the Andromeda Galaxy. This cosmic event will reshape both galaxies, forming a new, larger galaxy. This future merger is a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe. So friends, that's the incredible story of how our Milky Way galaxy came to be. From its humble beginnings to its grand spiral structure, the Milky Way is a testament to the wonders of the cosmos. We'll see you next time with more fascinating space stories. Until then, keep looking up and stay curious.